Hello. In this video we will show you how to search for ebooks on the eBook Central Library. To do this, you must first be signed in. If you haven't done so already and aren't sure how to sign in, you can find a video to do so on this channel and then come back to follow this process. The eBook Central Library has an extensive catalogue of ebooks for every course that is available at the Northwest Regional College. For the following example of how to search for ebooks, we'll search anatomy and physiology and see what results will come up. To do so, we shall just type it into the search bar here and then click on the search button. You'll now find yourself on a results page telling you how many ebooks are available in relation to the subject, as well as showing you how many books are available in the years published, as well as by offer, which you can find on the left side of the page. Once you find a book of interest, for this example, we'll use Anatomy and Physiology for Dummies. We will click on the book title to be taken to the following screen. In the availability section, you will see that your institution has access to free copies of this book. This means that free students can access this ebook at the same time. If a forced student attempts to do so, they will not be able to gain access. If you click on the Read Online option, either in the availability section or on the button just underneath the front cover image of this book, you'll be taken to the following screen where you can start reading the ebook. You will also notice that on the left side of the screen, there is a search bar, which will allow you to type in certain keywords or phrases that you're looking for in this ebook. Once you type in the keyword or phrase and click on the search button, it will bring up a variety of results, telling you what page the word can be found on the ebook. On the information of the ebook, if you scroll down, you will come across the table of contents, which gives you the option to download as a PDF in order to print certain chapters of the ebook. If you scroll back up to the availability section, you will find that you have a limit on how many pages of the book you're allowed to print out or download. So for this example, you're allowed to print or download up to 76 pages. Unfortunately, for the download book option, you'll be required to download third-party software, known as Adobe Digital Editions, which is different software compared to Adobe Reader.